Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of two prominent cryptocurrency trading platforms, BullX Neo and Photon. Whether you're a seasoned trader or you're just starting out, you need to understand the tools at your disposal. So let's explore these platforms. We'll compare the pricing, the features, the performances, and with this review, you'll be able to determine which might be the best fit for your trading needs in 2025. Let's begin with BullX Neo. Developed by the BullX team, BullX Neo is a cutting-edge trading platform designed for crypto enthusiasts, particularly those trading on the Solana blockchain. It operates as both a Telegram bot and a web-based application, offering a hybrid experience that combines convenience with robust functionality. One of its standout features is its lightning-fast indexing on Solana, which enables traders to execute transactions swiftly, and that's a critical advantage in the volatile world of cryptocurrency trading. Let's turn our attention now to Photon. This high-speed cryptocurrency trading platform specializes in Solana blockchain transactions. You can trade on other blockchains as well, like Tron, Base, and Blast. Photon offers rapid token discovery, real-time security monitoring, and multi-chain support, as earlier mentioned, with automated trading capabilities. It is designed to provide traders with exceptional transaction speeds and quick audit results, making it particularly effective for time-sensitive trading strategies. Now let us talk about the main features of BullX Neo and Photon. We'll start with BullX Neo. Multi-chain support. Beyond Solana, BullX Neo facilitates trading across multiple blockchains like Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Tron, Base, and others. Advanced trading tools. They offer sophisticated tools such as stop loss and take profit orders, grid trading strategies, and dollar cost averaging, catering to both experienced traders and novices. Real-time market analytics. Traders have access to live charts and advanced filters to analyze assets based on liquidity, trading volume, market capitalization, and social activity, aiding informed decision-making. Pump vision and token discovery. This feature assists users in tracking trending tokens and uncovering new opportunities by monitoring market movements and highlighting tokens with sudden spikes in activity. How about Photon? Let's discuss the main features. Lightning-fast Solana trading experience. The platform's architecture is optimized for rapid execution, allowing traders to capitalize on fleeting market opportunities. Advanced token discovery and security features. Photon incorporates sophisticated tools to help traders identify potential opportunities quickly and provides real-time security monitoring to ensure informed decision-making. Multi-chain trading support. While primarily focused on Solana, Photon extends its capabilities across multiple blockchain networks, including Ethereum, Tron, Base, and Blast, enabling diversification across different ecosystems. Photon Points Reward System. Traders accumulate Photon points through their trading activities, adding a gamification element that rewards platform engagement. Professional trading interface and portfolio management. Photon offers a user-friendly interface with comprehensive portfolio monitoring tools and quick buying and selling capabilities. Now let us talk about the pricing. Regarding the pricing, BullX Neo employs a transaction-based fee model. There's a standard fee, which is 1% per transaction whether you're buying or selling, collected in Solana. There's early access discounts. If you connect via Telegram, you can have additional 10% discounts. And there are gas fees which are minimal on the Solana blockchain, though they still apply alongside BullX codes. How about Photon? Photon fees are collected in Solana, and it's 1% of the initial token used for every buy and sell transaction. So if you'd like to spend 5 Solana to buy 100 Photon tokens, the 1% fee will be calculated as 0.05 Solana. So after deducting that 0.05 Solana from the actual 5 Solana that you're spending, you would have 4.95 Solana that will be used for the purchase of the Photon tokens. What are the pros and cons of using BullX Neo and Solana? Let's start with BullX Neo. First, the pros. Speed is an advantage. The platform is feature-rich and there are regular updates. How about the pros for Photon? Exceptional speed, advanced token discovery, security focused, multi-chain support, and customizable pricing tiers. How about the cons? For BullX Neo, withdrawal issues. Some users have reported difficulties withdrawing funds. The fee structure could be an issue, and reliability concerns expressed by some people about bugs and performance issues. And the cons for Photon? High cost for premium features. The free plan has limitations. So which is better in 2025? If you are looking for a cost-effective platform with solid multi-chain support, real-time analytics, and a strong Telegram bot integration, BullX Neo is a great pick. It is designed for traders who want a smooth experience with minimal fees, but there are occasional platform bugs, and that may be a drawback. On the other hand, Photon offers blazing fast trading speeds, high-level security monitoring, and a professional trading experience. If you don't mind paying extra for premium features and you want a robust, security-conscious platform, then Photon is a strong choice. But keep in mind though that the free plan is quite limited. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Jupiter Aggregator, Matcha, and Dex Screener. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.